As you can see, I'm just burning it and pulling it towards the plastic to where I can get the hole big enough through the front and the back so I can stick an object through it, whether it be a knife or a chainsaw, whatever, and put clothes over it. It'd be a really good effect.
This company is one of the top software companies in the world because every single employee understands that they are part of a whole. Thus, if an employee has a problem, the company has a problem.
Have a nice day.
Alright, so it's done on this part. It fell in there in the hole. Looks like a giant gaping vagina right now, but once I'm done, leave the plastic. It'll look good for like, I don't know, like it's shredded up skin, I guess. Okay, so now starting with the back. I'm having to keep tightening this thing up though, because it's getting loose every time I maneuver it and stuff. So I got this oven mitt where I'm tightening it here and there. If you want to, it makes it faster to use the bigger bar, whatever it's called.
I can see it in your eyes. You have the look of a man who accepts what he sees because he is expecting to win.
Finished.
The human body generates more
Hello.
electricity than a
So yeah, I'm now just gonna burn a little bit along the edges to make it look more like it's
the machines
not
have
so
found all the energy they
even, I guess. Alright, so now I got my blood tone paint. This is brilliant, nothing special. Now I got that mixed up. I'm just going to paint over the edges where I burned. And I actually let that drip on purpose so that whenever I have the chainsaw, whatever it is, going through the blade or through the skin, it'll appear to be like guts or whatever. Alright, so there's that side. That's pretty good, I must say. Alright, so that part's done. Now let's see how this turns out. Like a glove. Oh, look what you made me do.